Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, definitely been pretty weak on the Aussie overall, but I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave W, a wave X, and I still think it's going to make 1, 2, 3 waves up to complete an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is likely to eventually make its way all the way up and take out these previous two highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we've been having several weeks of very, very weak price action on the Aussie, all the Aussie pairs really, but I'm definitely still looking at this as potentially a wave 1. Well, first of all, over here is the A. This is a big WXY, wave B, and then this is a 1. This is an ABC of 2, and then I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3, and I still think it's going to just keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely think this 5 waves up right here is a wave 1. I think this is a 3-3-5 pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, A. 1, 2, 3 waves up, B. 5 waves down, C. I think this is an expanding flat 3-3-5 pattern, and I think that it is very likely it will go up, it will break structure, and it will start a brand new trend, which is likely to be a wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of that wave C of wave Y that I was showing on the much higher time frames. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, based on structure, I definitely am looking for shorts still. It definitely to me looks like that it is going to break structure, and today is non-farm payroll, so hopefully today is the day that it does go up and break structure. If it does go up and break structure, I definitely will stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. If it doesn't break structure, which there definitely is no guarantee that it's going to break structure, even though it looks like a perfect 5 waves, it definitely doesn't mean it has to break structure. It could easily make another lower high and just keep on going down. And guess what? I'm going to continue to look for shorts unless it does break that structure. So if it keeps on going down, definitely no problem for me because I'll just continue to look for shorts every chance I get. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, yeah, there's definitely a few long opportunities on this chart also, but I personally have been doing nothing but looking for shorts at every single pullback I see, and I'm definitely going to continue to do so. If I see 1, 2, 3 waves up, if I see impulsive down, especially if there's a break of structure, then I definitely will continue to go short for the continuation of the downtrend because the trend is your friend, and if you continue to trade with the trend, you're going to most likely be much more consistently profitable with your trading. On the other hand, like I was explaining on the 4 hour, if it does go up, if it does break these highs, I will definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.